Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Indira, and what you're watching are some of the past DIYs that I've made for my channel. It includes home decor, seasonal decor. So if you're interested in that kind of content and these kinds of DIYs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to it so YouTube will let you know when I have uploaded a new video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please enjoy all of the content on the page. I hope to see you again soon and often. Take care, everyone. Bye.